Winter has arrived in the Okanagan. So is my blow-up valve. Wastegate. Let's get to work. So this is pretty simple. I'm pretty sure you guys know how to install a wastegate. So I'm not gonna bore you with it, but I'm gonna take my block-off plate off, put the wastegate on, put a vacuum line to it, and that's about it. I'm not gonna make a screamer pipe yet. I'll probably do that another day. Might be the same video, I don't know. I gotta work later today, so. But yeah, I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna put the bumper back on, and then I think that's gonna be it for today. Easy peasy, wastegate's on. You guys know what's up. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to find, since I don't have any aluminum tubing here, I'm just going to take a piece of aluminum and machine it so that I can weld to the intake piping so I can put my blow-off valve on. So yeah. So I've welded that guy on and put my pipe back in. So now I'm just going to splice into my vacuum line for the wastegate and then run it over there. Then I got to go to Lordco to get some tubing to couple that to my blow-up valve. Alright, I'm not too sure how the audio quality is going to turn out here, but we'll see how it goes. I'm just going to go for a little cruise, warm the thing up, and then see how our blow-off valve works. Oh, hold over. I have to tie you down. It works. Sweet. I hear a little whistle, so I'm thinking that might be a small leak. But as far as the blow-off valve goes, everything is working, seems like. I definitely hear a whistle, so I'll figure out what that is. So yeah, I think that's going to be it for this video. It might be a short one, probably a short one. I didn't do a whole lot. But thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Check me out on Instagram. I do a lot of automotive photography. Also, leave a comment below if you want to see some photography stuff. I'd love to do that. Not too sure how I'd film it because I've only got the one camera that I'm using right now. But yeah, let me know. So the next step for this thing is going to be tuning. And then this woman doesn't know where she's going. She's staring at me. But yeah, the next step for this thing is going to be tuning. And then we're pretty much done. What are you doing? Stay there. Okay, yeah. Here we go again. Thanks for watching.